Hey everyone, and welcome back to the JKW Woodworks channel. Today we're going to be talking about what we do with our extra epoxy from our epoxy pours. If you worked with epoxy before, you know exactly how expensive it is and how you don't want to waste a single drop of it. So what we have here are ice cube trays, or ice cube molds, and they're made out of silicone, which is the key, because epoxy does not stick to silicone. And we set those molds on top of HDPE boards for cleanup purposes, just because it's very easy to clean up. And all you do is you're pouring the epoxy into your molds and letting them sit and cure, just like you would with your original epoxy pour. So we just want to share with you our website real quick. It's something that we're very proud of and we're very grateful to have. My brother is a computer programmer and he did an awesome job making this website. On this website, you can find a list of all our products and project plans, as well as all our YouTube videos. We also have a contact us page so you can ask us questions via email, and an about us page so you can find out who we are and what we're all about. And if you feel like supporting us, you can go here to our Etsy page where we have all our products and plans available. Currently, our most popular product that we offer is our 3D checkered cutting board plans. And as always, thanks for watching. So after you let it sit and cure for a day or two, depending on what type of epoxy you used, it's time to pull it out of the molds. This part can be a little tricky depending on the size of the molds and what's going on. As you can see here with the United States mold that we have, some parts are very, very small and take some time to work their way out. Just make sure that the epoxy is cured before you remove these, otherwise it can become very messy. If you're struggling to get some of the epoxy out of the molds, it helps to run hot water on the back side of the molds. Heat loosens up the silicone and the epoxy and allows it to slip free. We went out and found some Star Wars and Super Mario theme molds, so now we can make our very own Millennium Falcon, R2-D2, or Super Mario Bros. But the question that you're wondering right now is, what do we make with these epoxy figures? And the answer is keychains. These epoxy figures are the perfect size for a key fob or keychain. Because epoxy is able to cure in a couple days and turn from a liquid into a solid, it's going to take that figure of the mold and you're going to be able to create whatever you want, like a koi fish, R2-D2, Super Mario Bros. So if you're a Super Mario's fan or a Star Wars fan, you might want to check out these key rings. They're ready to be shipped straight to your door, and as you can see, they look great. There's multiple different colors and options and styles that you can pick from, and it's all available through Etsy on the Web Crafting Gallery shop. If you have any questions about these keychains, feel free to let us know, either through the email on Etsy or this YouTube channel. And once again, these are available directly from Web Crafting Gallery on the Etsy shop. Let us know in the comments down below if you enjoyed this video on these epoxy figures. And as always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.